another super recipe, rich pancake. Join me and let's make this together. In a cup, I break in 2 eggs. To that, I add 2.5 tablespoons of sugar, 160 ml of evaporated milk, and then we mix all together. In another bowl, I pour in 1 cup of soft flour, and then we go ahead add the wet ingredients to the dry one. Mix it well. Make sure there are no lumps here, okay? So use whisk. Here I add 1 tablespoon of salted melted butter, and then we mix all together. Now I rinse my cup with 100 ml of cold water, and then we add it to the butter, mix all together once again. And this is the perfect consistency we are looking for, okay? This is exactly what we want. In a pan, I pour in oil, and then I go ahead grease my pan. I will scoop a reasonable amount of the butter into the pan, and then I level it to get a beautiful round shape, okay? When the butter dries up, it means that it's ready to flip over. So now I go ahead and then flip it over. Now we toast the other side for about 2 minutes, but before that, check to see if it's properly toasted, and at this point it's ready, so I remove it from the pan. We will go ahead and repeat the process till all the butter is finished. So I scoop a reasonable amount into the pan, level it up to get a beautiful shape, and then I flip it over, toast the other side. And just like that, our pancake is ready. So the question is, what is pancake without lemon juice? So I will take one of the pancakes and then I squeeze some lemon juice on it. Pancake tastes better with lemon juice. In case you don't know, you can give it a try, okay? And then come back to the comment section and tell us something. Now I roll my pancake beautifully, and then this is how we serve pancake anyway. I'll put a slice of lemon on it. Guys, look at this. Isn't it beautiful? I hope you give this recipe a try, and now you are served. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you in my next video, stay blessed. Ramadan Kareem. Bye bye.